Welcome to Learn Commerce PU online classes. Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.
Welcome to our second PU Computer Science online classes. In last class, we studied some important concepts from Boolean algebra, the concept like pair reduction rule. We know that some note about the pairs. In this case, here variable going to remove. Correct now? So this is about our pair. Now the second thing about our quad. That means when you are going to encircle 4 ones, that is called as the quad, and in case of the quad, 2 variables are going to remove. Now in today's class, we are going to complete one more concept. The concept name is the reduction of an octet, okay, or we can say the role of an octet. So in this case, the reduction of an octet, we know that pair remove the variable which change their state, that is from complemented to the uncomplemented, and quad also remove the variable which change their state, that is from complemented to the uncomplemented. Now the third concept also I am going to tell the same meaning for the third concept. The concept is the reduction of an octet. So remove the variable which change their state, that is from complemented to the uncomplemented. Clear this point here? So the complemented to the uncomplemented, or vice versa, that is called as the uncomplemented to the complemented. And we know that the octet remove 3 variables only. Clear this point here? The octet removes 3 variable only. Now let's we are going to clear, is it such condition is applicable or not. We know that pair remove 1 variable. We already proved this one. Maybe the 4 variables are there here. While going to make the calculation, final result will get in 3 variables, and quad also the same. Maybe we know that 2 variable going to remove, maybe it's a 4 variable. The final expression result will get in 2 variable only. Now I said octet remove 3 variables only. So here we can say that for example 4 variables are there. After that it going to give the result only in 1 variable. So this is about our octet, okay. And later words, after the octet we are going to study about map rolling, overlapping and the redundant groups. But before going to know maybe any type of the group, that is the map rolling, overlapping and the redundant group. Now let's first think about our octet, okay. Now we know the note about the octet. Now it is one simple example. Now in our example 4 variables are there. The name of the variables are W, X, Y, Z, okay. W, X, Y, Z, and we know that for our left side and also at the top of the K map, how the value going to use. The value we are going to use by using our binary code, correct no? The binary code only called as the binary numbers, and the binary number are also called as the gray code, correct? So the code are 00, 01, 1110, and also at the top of the K map the binary code are 00011110, and we know that wherever the value 0 is there, take its complement, is it? So where the value 0 is there, we need to take the complementation to the value here, complementation to the variable, or maybe the value 1 is there, no any complementation going to take. Now I am going to complete one simple example for an octet here. So in left side I am using the value 00, 01, 1110, correct no? 00, 01, 1110, and also in our upper side the 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 here, and later next thing about I am using some of the values. We know that in case of the octet how many ones are going to encircle. So totally we need 8 ones. Clear this point here, 8 ones. So I am using in this example or in this K-map the values for the one value for the square or for the number 12, 13, 15, 14. Okay. 12, 13, 15, 14 and also 8, 9, 11, 10. If we are using just only for the number 12, 13, 15, 14, this is example for the quad. 4 ones are there. But we are in the concept of the octet, correct? No, in the concept of an octet here, then sure we are going to use the 1 also for the number 8, 9, 11, 10 here. So totally 12, 13, 15, 14 and also for the number 8, 9, 11, 10. So now I am just going to make the encircling to the total 8 ones. Okay, and now we are going to find out whether such value is going to applicable or not here. So in this case we can say that first of all the 0 0 is there, then sure we need to use the complementation, complement W, complement X, then complement W, just only the X, 1 is there, so just X we need to use here, 1 1 that is called as WX, and also 1 0 that is called as the W complement of the X, and 0 0, so we are using complement Y, complement Z, and also 0 1 complement Y Z, and 1 1 that is called as the Y Z, and lastly Y complement Z. Okay, the Y and complement Z here. Now I am using the values. Clear this point here. I am using the values. So how we are going to take the value? So the first one, that means we know that we are going to find out the octet here. So the octet going to find out. First of all, I am going to take the first one. Okay, so the first that is the M. So in this case we can say that we know that small letter M 12 plus M 13, M 15, M 14 and also M 8, M 9, M 11, M 10. See, after marking once in this example to the number 12, 13, 15, 14, 8, 9, 11, 10. How to complete or how to get the final expression of an octet. So, first I am going to take the value 12, the number 12. So, that is W, X, left side value, upper side value, complement Y, complement Z. And later the 13 value, that is WX, complement Y, Z, plus 15 value, WX, Y, Z, plus 14 value, WX, Y, complement Z, plus 8 value. So how we are going to take W complement X, complement Y, complement Z, plus 9 value, W complement X, complement Y, Z, plus 11 W complement X, Y, Z, and plus lastly the 10 value W complement X, Y, complement Z. So this is all the values. So this one is about the 12, 13 and 15, 14. Later next one is about our 8, 9, 11, 10. Okay. Now I am going to make the comparison in between the values. Okay. First of all, I am going to take the value. The value is the 12 and 13. Now I am just going to make the comparison whether the value are going to equal or maybe any changes in the values here. So WX there is no any changes, but and complement Y also the same thing. But when you are going to compare, the 12 value is the complement Z and the next 13 value is the Z, that means sure we need to remove the variable. Okay, and later after that, after knowing the result of the 12 and 13, now just I am going to make the comparison or in between the variables. The variable is the 15 and the 14. So when you are going to make the comparison wx y, and here also which variable going to remove, the z variable going to remove here, and later next one I am going to take the value. The value is the 8 and 9. Okay, the value is the 8 and 9. So the w as it is, complement of z is the same here, and also complement y here also which value going to remove, the z value only going to remove here, and lastly I am going to take the number value, that is the 11 and the 10. Okay, the number value is the 11 and the 10 here. So w there is no any problem, then complement of x also no any problem here, and later next one is about y. When you are going to compare 11 and 10 value, then the w as it is, no any changes, we need to take complement x also the same thing here, and also y, but we need to remove the variable. The variable is z and complement of the z. Now we know that this is the result of the 12, 13, 15, 14 and our 8, 9, 11, 10. Okay, so this is the result. Now again we need to make the comparison in between the values. Whatever the result, it is not the final result. Again we are going to make the comparison in the values. So w no any changes, x also no any changes, but we need to remove the variable, that is the y. Why? Because in first starting complement of y is there, and our second expression just the variable y. So we need to remove the variable. Now after that, after we are going to take the next value. The next value is here, just only we need to take the w and complement of the x, but when you are going to make the comparison in variable, in first expression complement to y, in second expression y is there, then sure we are going to remove the variable. Okay, here. So after that also it is not the final expression result. Again we need to make the comparison in between the values. So when you are going to make the comparison in between the values here, we can say that the first expression is the wx, in second expression is the w complement of the x here. So sure we will get the answer as the w only. So clear this point here. So I already said about the note about of an octet. What I said, the note of an octet here, remove the variables which change their state, that is from complemented to the uncomplemented, or our octet remove how many variables? We know that the an octet remove 3 variables only, correct? No, in starting step totally 4 variables are there, but final reduction expression result is the w only. So sure we can say that we can prove such example or such a note of an octet here. So final result is the w only. Clear this point here. So like that we are going to find out the value of an octet. So this is the note about of an octet. After knowing some important information about of an octet, and we know the rule of the octet, remove the variable which change their state, that is from complemented to the uncomplemented, and octet remove 3 variables only. But after marking pairs, quad and also octet, there are certain other things we need to take care of those things here, and the things are, or these are the map rolling, overlapping groups, redundant groups here. Clear this point? Not just only while going to complete K-map, we are giving importance not only for the pairs, quad and our octet, we also need to take care by using certain other things before going to arrive the final expression, the final result. So some important note, or these expressions are, so we need to take the care of the expressions are, first one is the map rolling, second one is the overlapping groups here, and third one is called as the redundant groups. So clear this point here. First is the map rolling, second one is the overlapping groups, third one is the redundant group. Now we are going to complete the first example. The first example name is the map rolling, okay, groups here, the map rolling here. Now what's the meaning of the map rolling? The map rolling means roll the map, okay. Now also we know that I said just only map rolling means roll the map. Now what do you mean by a roll the map? So by using one example, or we can say as the consider the map as its left edge touching the right edge. Clear this point here? The left edging or edge touch the right side edge and the top edge touching the bottom edge. So this is called as the map rolling, and this is a very special property of the K-map. So you know that about this one. Not just only we are going to find out the pairs, quads and octet here. Also we need to give importance. We need to take care of some other group also. The first group name is the map rolling group. Now we know that what's the meaning of the map rolling group. So the map rolling group means the left that is touched to the right side edge. Clear this point? And the top edge are touched to the bottom edge. That is called as the map rolling. Maybe if any one is not there, clear this point? Maybe in number 4, in number 12, we already taken the number 1, but also in our left side, just only for the 6. The number 6, 1 is there, but not for our 14. It is not example for the map rolling. That means it should touch to our left side, should touch to the right side here, and the top side ones should touch to the bottom side ones. Clear? So this is called as the map rolling. That means how many ones are there, how we are going to take, how we are accepting which kind of the group, whether it's a pair group, whether it's a quad group, whether it's an octet group. So here totally how many ones are there in this example? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that means 8 ones are there. That is equal to which group? That is called as an octet group. Okay, here 8 ones are there. So this is the example for the map rolling. Now also I want to tell one more example for our map rolling group here. And in this example also, our second example, now we already completed the first example. Now let's, maybe if any confusion, what about the map rolling? We are going to take one more example. Okay, so in this example, I want to take 4 variables. Variables are W, X, Y, Z. Okay, and the binary code I am going to use for the left side and also at the top of the K-map. The binary code are 0001 1110. At the top of the K-map also 0001 1110. And we know that how to take the numbering scheme. Correct? No? The numbering scheme, the 0, 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 7, 6 here, 12, 13, 15, 14, and lastly the square numbers are the 8, 9, 11, 10. Okay, the 8, 9, 11, 10, and we know that wherever the value 0 is there, take the complement W, complement X here, and for 0, 1 is there, so we are going to take as the complement W and just only the X, and 1, 1 is there, so WX, no any complementation going to apply, and lastly 1, 0, that is called as the W complement of X, and also at the top of the K map the 0, 0, so this is called as the YZ set. Correct? No? Yeah, and this set is called as the WX set, and at the top of the K map here YZ sets are there. We already written the number by using the binary code number as the 0001 1110. Now wherever the value 0 is there, I am using the complementation to the variable Y and Z. In starting the 0, 0, so I am using as the complement Y, complement Z here, complement Y, Z, and also Y, Z, no any complementation. The number is the 1 and 1, and later next one our Y complement Z here. And in this example where I used the number ones, so here we can say that in place of the number 4 I want to use the number 1, in place of number 6 also I used the number 1 here, and in place of 3 and also in place of the 11. So this is also one simple example of the map rolling. Now after completing the pair, quad, octet, map rolling, we know the meaning of map rolling: left touch to the right and top touch to the bottom edge. This special property is called as the map rolling property. And the second group name is the, we need to take care, the second group also, The second group name is the overlapping groups. Now the meaning of overlapping groups. The overlapping group means the same one can be encircled more than once. That means again and again we are going to make the encircling to the number ones is called as the overlapping group. The same ones can be encircled more than once is called as the overlapping group. So I want to use one example for the overlapping group, and in this example first I want to take 4 variables, the name of the variable A, B, C, D, and also the ABCD, this is the left side, correct? No, in our AB the bottom side we can say, and in our at the top CD variable going to use, and the binary numbers 00, 01, 11, 10, and also at the top of the K-map the same binary code, gray code, binary code using as the 00, 01, 11, 10. And we know that where the value 0 is there, we are using complementation. So how I am going to take complement A, complement B, complement A, B, and A complement B. Clear this point? In our left side where the value 0 is there, I am going to use the complementation, maybe the value 1, no any complementation. Now C and D. So here also first I am going to take complement C, complement D, and also complement C, D, 1, that is the C, D, and also lastly C complement D. Okay, depend on the variable 0 and 1, I am going to take the complementation and the no complementation, or we can say that uncomplementation here. Now the numbering scheme, we know that 0, 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 7, 6, 12, 13, 15, 14, 8, 9, 11, 10. So all are the numbering schemes. And in question maybe the values we need to take once, the number are the 5, 7, 6, 15, 14, 10. Okay, maybe in question some of the values are there. Maybe F is equal to sigma symbol, opening of the parenthesis, and the variable name ABCD, closing of the parenthesis, is equal to again opening of the parenthesis, and they added some of the number in the question. The numbers are 5, 7, 6, 15, 14, 10. So all those numbers they added in the question here. That means sure we need to take the 1 in such number or in those numbers here. Now after that maybe if maybe in question if some numbers are not going to display, that means sure we are going to take the value as the 0. Clear this point here? We need to take the value as the 0, which number are not going to display in the question, and what's the numbers are there in question, in such places we need to take the value as the 1. And we know that about, I already used the value in place of 5, 1, 7, 1, 6, 1, 15, 1, 14, 1, and 10, 1 here. Now we are in the concept overlapping groups. We know the meaning of the overlapping groups. The same one can be encircled more than once. The same one can be encircled more than once. So when you are going to observe this example or this K-map, observe that the M7 has been encircled twice, correct? Once for pair 1, that is 5 and 7. 2 ones are there, I am going to take it as the pairs in this case here, correct? So M7 has been encircled twice. First for the pair 1, 5 and 7, I am going to use 2 ones and make it as the pair in this case. And second time or again for the quad 1. So one quad only is there in this example, or we can say that again for the quad. The quad is the 7, 6, 15, 14. Okay. The 7, 6, 15, 14, 4 ones are there. So that is equal to the quad. We can say as the, so second time for the quad. First time for the pair 5, 7, and second time also such one going to take again, okay, kya, for to create, to make it as a quad kya. So 7, 6, 15, 40 here. So we can say that the same one can be encircled more than once. The 7 one going to use again and again twicely. Okay here. And not just only this 7. Again when you are going to observe this example or this K-map, again one more number is that the number is the 14. The M14, clear this point here. The M14 here we used like our M7 only has been encircled twice here. So once for the pair, correct no? Once for the pair 14 and 10 and again for the quad that is equal to the 7, 6, 15, 14. So clear this point here. So this is the example of the overlapping groups here. Now we are going to complete such overlapping group final reduction expression of this map. Correct? So first I am going to take the pair when we know that the value 5 and 7 will take. So for 5 and 7, so M5 and the M7 that is equal to pair in this case here. So 5 value how I am going to take complement A, B, correct, and complement C and D plus, okay, the left side value and the top side value. Left complement A, B and the top of the 5 complement C and D. And 7 value how we are going to take as the same. The left value first of all I am going to take in left side. The value is the complement A, B and the 7 value that is the C, D. Okay, the top side value is the C, D here. Now when you are going to make the comparison, complement A we need to take B also as it is here, and when you are going to make comparison, the third variable complement C and second expression just only C here. We need to remove the variable and there is no any changes in the last variable that is the D. So I am going to take, now we can say that this is the example or this is the thus the final reduction of the pair 1 M5 and M7 that is the complement A, B, D. Okay. So we are going to read as the complement A and B and D. So in between dot symbol is that. Why? Because we are going to complete the SOP reduction form. SOP means sum of the product. Sum of the product that is equal to the min term. The meaning of the min term, a min term is a product of all the literals. The product means the dot here. So we are going to read as the complement A and B and D. Clear this one? Now let's like that only we are going to complete the final reduction value or the expression value for the pair 2. Okay. So the pair 2 value we need to take as the 14 and 50, 14 and 10. Okay. The 14 and the 10 here. So for the 14, first of all I am going to take the value 14. So how we need to take the value? That means the left side value. The left side value is the A, B here, and we need to take the value as the top side value that is the C complement D here plus the 10 value also the A complement B. Okay, A complement B and the top side value C complement D here. So the C complement C, D. So clear this point here. Pair 2. So 14 and 10. For the pair 2 I am going to take the value 14 and 10. 14 value, left value, top value. Left value AB, top side value C complement D. Then 10 number value I need to take. So A complement B and C complement D. Now just I am going to make the comparison. A as it is, but when you are going to take, which value going to remove? Complement B and B going to remove from this expression, and C, and later next one there is no any changes in the value C and complement D. That means we need to take in this value. Correct? No, we know that the note of the pair. What's the note of the pair? So the note of the pair we can say that remove the variable, changes their state, complemented to the uncomplemented or vice versa, and most important note, pair removes one variable only. Starting step 4 variable, but final reduction value 3 only. Correct here? Here also the same, the 3 only. So we can say the pair 1 reduction value is the complement A and B and D, and pair 2 reduction value is the A and C and complement D kya. Now after completing all those, now we are going to complete our quad values. So the quad value is the M5. The quad value is the M7 and later next one is the M6 and after that the M15 and later next one is the M14. Okay, so the values is the, we can say 7, 6, 15, 14 and later next one. Now the 7 value I want to take. So how I am taking the left side value, that is the complement K, B, okay, and the C, D. So K, B, C, D, complement K, B, C, D here and later 6 number value as it is complement K, B, okay, complement A, B, C, complement D and later plus I want to take the 15 number value. So the 15 number value is the A, B and later C, D. So left side value and the top side value plus after that again I want to take the 14, A, B and the C complement D, okay, the C complement D. So all those value we need to take here. Now just I am going to make the comparison, complement K and B, later next one C we need to take, correct, no, but here which value we need to make the, we need to remove the variable is the D and complement D here, and when you are going to compare the second expression, that is the third and fourth, so the value is the A, then B and later C, but here the D value we need to remove, correct here. So the D value we need to remove here and later finally again we need to make the comparison. The comparison is in our variable complement A, B, C plus A, B, C here. So when you are going to make the comparison, the final result is the B, C. So this is the or we can say that the reduction value for quad, okay, the reduction value or the reduction expression for the quad, the reduced expression is the B, C here. We know that quad remove the variable which change their state, that is from complemented to the uncomplemented, and quad removes 2 variable only. The first one 4 variable, but later was will get the answer in 2 only. So we can say that the quad remove 2 variable only. So the final SOP expression is the pair 1 complement A, B, D plus pair 2 A and C and complement D and later next one is the BC. So this is the SOP reduction by using the overlapping groups. We know that the meaning of the overlapping, the same one can be encircled more than once. Thank you.
Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.